Good day, Spartans. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to check your due dates and release conditions for your new semester in Blackboard Ultra. I'm going to use my healthy eating course as my demo. And you want to go to your gradebook. Once you've migrated all of your new content from either your developmental shells or from a previous semester, you're going to have several views, of course, in your gradebook. You have the overall view, you have your gradable items view, and the grades view themselves. And many of you like this grades view because it very looks similar to Blackboard Original. I like the gradable items view for this demonstration because you're going to be able to see the item itself, the category that is assigned to, and your weighted total if you use those, as well as the due date. And you can see I still have some old due dates from previous semesters that I have not cleaned up for this shell from my developmental course. And so what I want to do is choose an item, and I'm going to choose one of my discussions. It's going to probably filter right to that greater participation view. You want to move over to your discussion or your content and settings view. Once you're there, you're going to see your settings to the right-hand side, and above that, whether or not that is visible or in release conditions. You want to select your widget and then give it a proper due date for current semester, which I think this would be spring. Oops, I passed it. First week of class, so this is going to be due here at the end of day, which is 11:59 p.m. And I'm going to save that and change my date. And then I don't want it visible until I want it released. So I'm going to select my release conditions. And my release conditions, you can release by all at one time or by specific people or groups by date or per performance. So I'm going to go all people for a certain date, and I want my discussion to open at the beginning of the week, which is the 20th, even though we don't come back until that Tuesday at early in the morning, so that this is already available for my learners when they decide to look at their content. But mine are only open for a week, so I'm going to give them until Sunday to finish all of their follow-ups at 11:59 p.m. And I'm going to select Save. And once all of those have been, you have already saved those. And so your release conditions here at the top and your due date. When I go back to my gradable items page, you can see that my discussion is now black because it's current and everything is the same as needed for the current semester. So I would do that for all of my assessments and assignments. I would fix both the due dates as well as their release conditions. Please see the Office of Extended Learning if you need additional details on how to update your gradebook. And this concludes the video on how to ensure that your due dates and release conditions are ready for spring of the new semester. Thank you. Bye-bye.